Good evening all of. My name is Pooja Subhash Patel. Today's date is 27 April 2022 and today's word topic name is predefined and user defined packages in Java. Let's discuss about. So firstly, you can create the dot class files of all the Java classes and interface related in our programming. To each other the one folder automatically by declaring them under same packages. A package is nothing but directly storing classes and interface of a particular concepts when we creating a package. You can create a package and add required classes interface in it just by declaring the packages in our programming. The syntax of the package dash name. We can discuss about predefined packages. In Java, programming provides various predefined classes and interfaces, organization order packages. Order in packages. The Java dot language, the package provides the language basis in our programming. Then Java.io package. This package provides classes and interface for the operations and other input and output operations in these packages. Then next package is a Java.math. The Java.math package provides classes and interface for arithmetic operations. Then next one is a Java.net package. This package provides classes and interface related to networking in our programming. Then next one is a Java.security. This package provides class and interface such as keys, generation, belongs to security in framework. Then next one is a Java.sql. This package provides classes and interface for ascending or multiplying the data, storing database and data resource in our programming. Then next one is a Java.text. This package provides class and interface to handle text, dates, numbers and messages. Then next one is a Java.10. The main API for dates, times, duration in this package. Then the some packages are available in rt.jr file in the bin folder of your JRE Java runtime environment. Then second part is a user defined packages. The user defined packages are those packages that are defined in user or created by the developer categorized classes in packages. They are much similar to the packages. It is built-in packages in our programming. Then user defined packages in Java are a mechanism to encapsulate a group of classes, interface and subpackages in Java. It is used to making search, locating in our programming. Then we can say a package is a container of a group of related class where some of the classes are accessible are expressed and internal purpose it is used. Then types of packages. The packages are categorized into two parts. These are built-in packages and second one is a user-defined package. The built-in packages are Java.io, Java.language, Java.spl and so on. Then next one is a user-defined package. As the name purpose of user-defined packages in Java essentially packages that are defined in programmer. The user-defined packages are those packages that are designed or created the developer or a user. Categorize classes and packages. They are much similar to the packages. That's all about today's topic. I hope you can understand. Thank you.